In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT on Windows. This is a quick, straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it in clear, simple terms so you can get up and running without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to a search engine. In the search bar, type something like ChatGPT Download or ChatGPT Desktop. You'll see several results, but you want the one that leads specifically to the ChatGPT Desktop page. To stay safe, look for the official provider and avoid unfamiliar third-party download sites or misleading ads. The correct page will clearly mention the desktop app and offer downloads for different operating systems. Once you're on the ChatGPT desktop page, you'll see options for Mac OS and Windows. Since we're focusing on Windows, select the Windows option. This ensures you get the installer that's built for your PC. After you click Windows, your browser will either start downloading the installer automatically or ask you where to save it. Choose a familiar location, like your Downloads folder, and let the file finish downloading before you proceed. When the download completes, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, that's normal for trusted installers. Click Yes to continue. From here, simply follow the on-screen installation instructions. This typically involves agreeing to the terms, choosing an install location if you want something other than the default, and then clicking Install. Give it a moment to copy the files and set everything up. As the installer finishes, you might see an option to launch the app right away. If so, you can open it directly. Otherwise, you can find it in your Start menu like any other program. At this point, you're done with the installation. The desktop app is ready to use whenever you are. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the download, confirm you have enough disk space, and close unnecessary apps if your system feels slow. If your browser flags the download or Windows shows a security prompt, double-check that you're on the official ChatGPT desktop page and that the installer is from the legitimate publisher before continuing. If the installer doesn't open, right-click the file and choose Open, or try running it as an administrator. That's all there is to it. You searched for the ChatGPT desktop download, chose the Windows version, followed the installer's prompts, and you're finished. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using ChatGPT on your Windows PC.